Meet my friend Akansha. Watch का screw ढीला हो गया था, फिर वो गिर गया. So I am wearing a very pretty pink sari.
So please do not judge me based on my looks.
But I want a mid-size bag. Steve madam, collection उनका नहीं है अच्छा. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today is Janmashtami and I have got a little ready and this is how I look, and I have also filmed this look. So I will be posting this in my Instagram so you can check that out. Also in the YouTube shorts as well. So I am wearing a very pretty pink sari. I'm going to show you the entire sari. So right now I am actually going to मंदिर because मेरा आज बहुत ज़्यादा मन था कि मैं कृष्णा जी की दर्शन करूं. मेरे घर में ऐसे पूजा तो नहीं होती है, but I really wish to do it. So nevertheless, I feel so pretty with this nut, and right now I'm going to ISKCON temple actually. So I am having my dinner and I have got some kheer. This is also something which is made up of dal only. So guys, I am in 61 and I need to repair my watches. I told you right कि मेरा watch का screw ढीला हो गया था, फिर वो गिर गया. तो I need to do that. उसके बाद I really want to go to Miniso क्योंकि वहाँ से मुझे एक आध चीज़ें खरीदनी है. And I also feel like having coffee. बहुत ज़्यादा ही टाइम हो गया कि मैंने कॉफ़ी नहीं पिया है. So I am thinking to go to a coffee shop and probably I'll do the Sunday reset thing. So let me go and check out the watch. Just look at the sky. It looks so beautiful. So I am going to Miniso. My friend is also coming. Guys, I just got some stuff from Miniso and I'll show you guys when I go home.
कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा, ये वाला जो बैग है मुझे स्टीव मैडन का ही दूसरा लेना पड़ेगा, राइट?
दो लेंगे तो 50 होगा, सिंगल लेंगे तो 40 मिलेगा.
स्टीव मैडन कलेक्शन उनका नहीं है अच्छा.
ये वाला 5600, ये वाला 5000.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? Like two columns.
आई लाइक ये वाला क्यूट सा है, बट ऐसा तुम क्यूट चीज़ें यूज़ करती हो नहीं, पता नहीं. आई लाइक दिस वन ऑल्सो. ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अगर वाइट में तुमको लेना है तो.
पॉकेट्स के और यहाँ सामने भी पॉकेट है,
पीछे भी है
और पीछे भी पॉकेट है. देखो मेरी फ्रेंड कितनी ब्यूटीफुल है ना.
ओहो,
ये रहा, ये वाला बैग है. सॉरी, हाँ मैं दिखा रही हूँ उसको. और इसमें स्लिंग भी है. नहीं क्या मुझे
नहीं हाय नहीं, चलो ऐसे बनाते हैं. हाय गाइस, मीट माय फ्रेंड आकांक्षा. से हाय टू माय व्लॉग.
Hi everyone. Please, yeah, guys. I mean, she's very hot looking, so please do not judge me based on my looks. I'm just on my odd days.
No, even she is hot. She's hot. And we are just exploring the city. We are in CC1. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए. Let's see where to have coffee. Okay, I'll see you in a while.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. जब से ये वीडियो मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, I have not introduced to this video. So basically, this is going like very random. I'm just taking videos of like bits and pieces, and I don't know what am I doing. Although I thought of making a weekend reset or a Sunday reset kind of a vlog, but then it did not happen because the last 2 days are like quite hectic. क्योंकि कल जन्माष्टमी थी और आज भी मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा देर सो गई because I was so tired. So I'll tell you what happened and we can continue the video from here. So basically कल जन्माष्टमी थी and I so wanted to visit मंदिर because मेरे घर में ऐसे पूजा तो नहीं होता है, but I really wish कि मेरे घर में पूजा होता, but it doesn't happen. इसलिए मैं इस्कॉन टेम्पल गई थी रात को. फिर मैं रात को after having my dinner I was just doing some editing bit, and today I got up late because I was so tired, so I wanted to complete my sleep because the next week is again going to be very hectic because it's like 4 days office we have to go. So that is the reason I was like trying to sleep a little better. And today I had a plan to reset my room, basically clean the room, but वो मैंने नहीं किया because obviously I woke up late. And I also had a plan to go meet my friend, और मुझे ऐसे थोड़े बहुत काम भी थे because like watches और ये सब का watch रिपेयर करवाना था. And then I had to get a bag. I'm actually looking for a bag which is like a medium size, because मेरे पास जो bags है, either that's a laptop bag which is like huge, or else I have a mini छोटू सा bag जिसमें ज़्यादा सामान नहीं आ सकता. You can just carry a little bit of your wallet and lipstick and gloss and all of that. But I want a mid-size bag जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ी बहुत सामान like a diary or a pen or my journals and books और ये सब चीज़ें मैं carry करके जा सकूँ. तो वैसा कुछ मेरे पास है नहीं. So I don't really feel like carrying such huge bags जब भी मैं इतना सारा सामान लेके जाती हूँ because obviously it's heavy and मैं हर टाइम लैपटॉप तो कैरी नहीं कर रही होती हूँ, right? So I was looking for that and there was good discounts and offers going on in Shoppers Stop, but then I did not buy it because मुझे उतना कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा. So yeah, that was a thing. Right now the situation is that I have to clean my room because the next week is going to be very hectic and I don't want this messy room. जिसकी वजह से whenever my room is a mess, I feel so much cluttered और मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं करता है. And then I want to wash my clothes and yeah, I want to plan the next week whatever I'm going to do. I have some photos and pictures to post, so मैं वो भी करना चाहती हूँ. But by the way, I want to also show you something which I got from Miniso because every time I go to CC1, I definitely visit Miniso, and whenever I visit Miniso, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है that I don't like anything. There are so many things that you like, but I then control myself, and then I got a very few random stuff. So I'll show you that. और मैं काम की चीज ली हूँ इस बार, ठीक है. These 2 tiffin boxes I got, these are like the छोटू ones. I'm always saying that इतना छोटू क्यों लेकर आए हो, but I think this is very good to carry your salads or maybe some yogurt और वो सब चीजें, snacks, random snacks और ये सब चीजें carry करने के लिए. These are like really, this too is really good. Then I got a क्लिप हियर, ये थोड़ा एनिमल प्रिंट का है, बट व्हाट, मैंने इसको ठीक से देखा नहीं और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसा डैमेज सा लग रहा है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर एबल टू सी दिस और नॉट, बट ये थोड़ा डैमेज सा है, बट आई डोंट नो मैंने ये शॉप में क्यों नहीं देखा. अब मैं इसको चेंज भी नहीं कर सकती. बट द अदर क्यूट थिंग इज दिस क्यूट लिटिल नोटबुक, एंड मैंने इसको इसलिए खरीदा क्योंकि मेरे पास जो भी बुक्स एंड डायरीज है वो सब बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़े बड़े हैं. सो मैं उसको हर जगह कैरी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, तो मुझे लगा ये जो है ना काफी अच्छा रहेगा. And I don't know why I have this obsession of, writing down everything, whatever I feel like, all my emotions, my thoughts, whether I'm happy or sad or whatever I'm feeling, I feel like to write it down. I like it, and I really like the fact that this is pink and black in color because pink and black really goes so well that I just can't tell you. This looks so pretty, so much cute. welcome back. So I just came back home and I did all my pending stuff which was there in my mind throughout this week. And now that I'm back home, I'm thinking to do a Sunday reset, and I'm also gonna take you through all of it. So I not had anything outside. मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक कप कॉफी पिया था. I was craving for Belgian waffle and I got one. So there was this new, launch something almond brownie waffle. So वो मेरे दिमाग में काफी दिन से था, तो I thought of ordering it and having it as a part of my reset. I feel like this is a reward for all the hustle and all the hard work that I did throughout the entire week. So obviously I deserve this. So इसको open करते हैं and let's have it. Unboxing time guys. So I went to West Side last week और वहाँ से मैंने कुछ होम डेकोर सेक्शन से चीज़ें लाई थी, तो वो मैंने अभी तक ओपन नहीं किया है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ ओपनिंग इट एंड यूजिंग इट बिकॉज द थिंग जो मैं ओपन करने जा रही हूँ दिस इज़ लाइक वेरी क्यूट, और मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं इसे परचेज करूँगी, बट देन आई गॉट इट. सो आई फील लाइक आई शुड ओपन इट एंड यूज इट. Oh my god, do you guys see this coffee mug? I mean, this is so pretty. It's like it's giving so much of summer vibe. White and blue plus थोड़ा सा golden यहाँ पे touches है. So this looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see that the prints are so nice. I'm so happy. I'm so obsessed with this mug. Guys, you know my love for coffee, and I could not resist myself from having coffee first time in this very pretty beautiful cup. So I made some black coffee, and I love black coffee. This is hot Americano, and I'm also watching This Summer I Turned Pretty. I'm in the I think 3rd or 4th episode of first season because I just started watching like last 2 days back. So yeah, I'm kind of loving it. I mean, abhi tak mixed aisa feeling hai. I don't know whether I like too much or I don't like it. It's like very mixed emotion, but till now I'm enjoying it. It's a good like weekend show that you can watch. Guys, Sunday reset actually means to plan your week in advance. You can, obviously make your to-do list, but definitely leave some space to breathe. Don't overload, but definitely keep your priorities very straight. You can actually keep like 3 priorities for the entire week. It's also about decluttering your stuff, tidying up your room, decluttering your almirah, your work desk and everything. And obviously it includes digital detox. So even if you take like 1 hour of digital detox, it really means a lot and it will shift your energy. So basically it means to take small little stuff, and just one right intention can actually do a lot of stuffs. So basically this was all about my Sunday reset, or you can say weekend reset. I have cleaned my room, decluttered my almirah, I have done all my pending works like paying off the bills, and then planning for the week. So I'm done for this week actually. So right now I'm just feeling like to watch something, and my favorite thing is to watch YouTube. So I'm gonna watch some good YouTube videos. And I also want to show you one more thing. Okay, wait, this is a very pretty body lotion from M Caffeine. So this is a Summer Breeze perfume body lotion, and I've been using it from last 2 days, and this is so good. The fragrance is so good. Next day सुबह तक इसकी जो fragrance है वो रहती है, and I feel so good. I feel so refreshed when I wake up. So मैं रोज रात को इसको लगा के सोती हूँ. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you liked at least something about this video, and if you did, do comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, you take care. Bye bye, and I appreciate you.